Okay, before we don't need a digital box from the Destiny cable, but because they asked us to renew, and upon renewal they have to upgrade the cable with the DigiBox. So I just want to show how it is working with the DigiBox. So turn on the TV first. And then turn on the DigiBox. As you can see, it just kind of scramble up after a few seconds, and then it will say we don't have the subscription popping up with the message. And if I go to 222, which is the NHK Japanese channel, let me try that. And after a while, it will pop up the screen with, again, with no subscription, something like that, or it will become clear. I don't know, but it's worse than the analog that we used to have.
Missiles last month and this month. So it's an unprecedented crisis.
See, if you can see all the pixels. And then I go to another channel, which is the Fox News, which is 112. Same thing, really, if you see, it's worse than the analog. Nonsense. This, I wish Destiny Cable or Skycable would be able to do this right as the first time, okay? The guy just came and installed and see it works, it shows signal, that's all. Didn't stay longer to see whether the signal really is clear or not. So I think it's better to go back to analog if you don't think so. Okay. Now I have to close this off.